Okay, you may find yourself needing to sort data. And if that's the case, then there's a few things we should know. If I go, let's say I want to sort this data because I'm looking at the effect of leg length on speed. So I want them to be in order from smallest to greatest. If I go to B and I select it, and then I go to data, sort A to Z, what happens is it sorts it with the headers in there, and I don't want that. So I'm going to go Control Z. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock my headers. I'm going to do that by clicking on the letter 1 and going to freeze row 1, and I'm going to freeze row 2. So it's under view. Now if I go to B and I click data, sort A to Z, now it's great. I've got my data sorted, so I can look and I can see now the shorter folks and their times and the people that are taller in their times. Now, another thing that might be helpful in here is now that I'm looking at this is to maybe group people by this, the shorter versus the taller. And so maybe I want to take these and move them here. And then take these and move them here. Okay, and I think it's useful to get an average for these. So I'm going to do average. And actually, I think I can just pull this over to get my average. And I don't know, I'm going to try this. I'll get rid of that. Okay, there we go. And so I'm going to, and I probably need to write average. Actually, maybe I don't need to write average. Okay, so I'm going to just format this really quick. Grids, left. Left grids. Okay. And now, so let's just take a look at this data. We should make sure it's all in the same. That's weird. Not sure why that. Okay, well, the good news is I can just move that one, which I will. Okay, so if we look here, it does, so for 92, it does appear that there is not a correlation between these. Interesting. Now, if you were to graph this data, you would be most interested in the average. Okay, that's how you sort data.